All right, guys, let's get into it. This is the full wig right here. It has two combs on the side and one inside, and it has adjustable straps right inside like every other wig. Also comes with an adjustable strap. I'm not going to be using that. To wash, we're going to be using conditioner. I use the Aussie and a detangling brush. That is a Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. With the hair, you know how you do. Get you some conditioner. Honestly, I'm running a little low. That's okay though. But go ahead and saturate the wig with a little conditioner and wash away. I like to finger detangle mine first to get out some of the bigger knots, especially with curly hair, because you know it sheds a lot. So just finger detangle it as you go through the hair, making sure that you get it all saturated with the conditioner. Get especially in the back. That is where it tangles up the most, and that is the only reason why I wash my wigs every single week, because I hate that tanglage. As you can see here, I'm just going through the hair and detangling it with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. It is the best brush for wigs ever. Trust me, it is the best. Even for your hair also. It's the only brush that I use on my wigs. Only one. Anyways, I'm going through and hey girl. And just detangling the hair. And that's about how much of the hair that I lost. Right there. So, you know, that's how it goes with curly hair. So rinse out that conditioner well. And go ahead and detangle it and let it set on your mannequin head. One thing I do is flip it upside down and let it dry overnight or throughout the day, or I diffuse it, but just let it dry overnight, and that gives you a little bit of volume. Wake up, hello, it's the morning time. Then we're just going to make sure our edges are all nice and laid down. Pop on that wig, honey. Be honest, this is a couple of days later, so I am going to refresh the wig a little bit. But this is a couple of days later. I have worn the wig probably about 3 times since I washed it, and I was just getting around to recording it again. So I use a little bit of glue just on the hairline, just a little bit right there, right where you see your part. That's all you need, because remember, this is a very quick and easy install. So go ahead, let that dry. The glue that I just showed, because it quickly went up, was the main choice. They have a really strong hold glue, so you can use that or got to be glue, whatever you wish. They're just all gels, so save on your hair. What you saw right there was me pull out just a little piece of my baby hair just to cover up that front lace there that, you know, gives us away all the time. And go ahead and layer lace right behind your hairline. That is the most important thing. I use my own hairline. I do not try to cover up my hairline. I don't do the bald cap method, all that. I use my own hairline, and I think that works the best for me, being that I apply them and then I take them off at night. It's just really easy for me. Another tip is I also flip those little tabs behind my ear, and I use, like I said, my own hairline on the side. The hair really doesn't like fly up. I mean, I'm not walking through the wind or nothing like that, so it really doesn't fly up, so I can use my own hairline. So I just use a bobby pin on each side. Go ahead, make sure the biggest thing I can say there for your part is to just like create some confusion there. Don't make it too perfect, okay? Once you get to messing with your part all the time and trying to make it look perfect and, you know, straight line, it starts looking fake. So, you know, don't do too much to it. Do the little concealer trick and then flip the hair over, because look, looks a whole lot better. I mean, can you see? Don't be trying to clock me while I'm out, for real. But can you see my lace? No, this is how it should be. And if you can't see it, you're probably too close to me. But I'm refreshing the wig with a little bit of water, so that's what you see spritzing me on. And then look, voila, easy breezy. I told y'all this was easy. Did I really need to make a video for this? Yes, but no, yes. Okay, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and look me up on Instagram. Come be my friend. Come say hey. I am at I am Charity Lynn on Instagram. Thanks guys. Do a little victory dance when you're done for your wig too. Boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom. Yeah. All right. Bye for real, y'all.